Ayan. Medyo late ako nagising. Anong oras na ba? 11:30. Nag-intercycle kasi ako. Tapos, nag-shower. And, ayan, nag-ayos na ako ng sarili ko. Kasi, mamaya, aalis kami dahil kukumpletuhin ko yung school supplies ng aking little boy. Kaya, medyo nagmamadali ako. Hindi naman nagmamadali, pero kailangan ko na lang matapos kasi sa Thursday na yung pasukan nila. So, wala na akong time during weekdays kasi may work ako. Kaya, ngayon ko siya tatapusin. Malapit lang naman yun. So, tsaka hindi naman ganun karami yung aking bibilhin kasi yung iba meron na ako dito sa bahay, yung iba wala. So, lalo na yung mga calculator, yun ang mga wala ako. Kaya, tsaka yung Chromebook, di ko pala nasabi sa inyo. Bumili ako ng Chromebook. And, yung Chromebook na nabili ko is, pagdating dito, pagtanggap ko, is hindi siya gumagana. So, parang pag-shipping nila is may na-loose na wire, according sa asawa ko. Wala naman ako alam sa mga computer, siya lang. So, kaya bumili ulit ako ng bago, ni-return ko yung isa. So, aantay ako ulit until Tuesday. So, hopefully, gumana na siya. So, kakain lang ako ng brunch para tapos ko na lahat ng dapat kong gawin. So, guys, tapos na pala ako kumain. And, naantay ko na lang si Keith kasi busy pa siya sa kanyang work. Tingnan niyo. Kahit weekend, nag-work ko rin si Keith. Tutulungan niyo yung isang agent. What are you helping him for?
Trying to fix the machine?
Oh.
Oh, okay. Fixing the machine.
Yeah. Tutulungan pa rin niya mag-fix ng machines. Where's that guy from?
Grandparent?
From Grandparent.
Yeah.
How many hours is that away?
4 or 5?
GP?
Grandparent, I think? Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ayan. Mga siguro 4 or 5 hours away yung tinutulungan niya. Kaya
4.5 hours.
4.5?
Yeah.
Oh, 4.5 hours daw, exactly.
Yeah.
Hindi naman siya pupunta doon kasi hindi naman siya on call or hindi siya work talaga ng weekend. Ngayon lang. So next week, work ulit siya ng long weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
So is it just gonna be me and Ashton going to Drumheller?
I can't leave the city. I'm on call.
We can't leave the city? What time is it, honey? No, it's 12:19. The kids are still sleeping.
Yeah, I know. That's why I don't know what Ashton's gonna do when he goes back to school. Dude. He's gonna be like, when he wakes up.
He's gonna be a madman again. No guys, alis na pala kami. Punta na kami ng Staples. Wala ka. Ang gloomy ng weather ngayon. Oh, grabe, ang ka-gloomy. Tingnan niyo. So gloomy today.
It's okay. It's good.
Stomach hurts. I don't know, I just... Hindi ko pala nasabi sa inyo. Umalis kami ng bahay. Tulog pa sila, so... Hindi na kami nakapagpaalam. So guys, nandito na pa kami sa Staples. Naghahanap kami. Oh, graphic paper. Graph paper is right here.
Mm-hmm.
And a graph paper. Oh, we didn't bring our bags.
Yeah, what's that?
Calculator. And then post-it. Yeah, post-it notes.
We already passed it.
Naghahanap ako ng post-it lock. Hindi ko kita. Like guys, ang daming tao dito. Daming mga students na bumibili ng ano. Patapos na naman kami. Hinahanap lang namin is yung calculator. Where's the calculator? Hanap lang namin is yung calculator. Kasi yun na lang ang kailangan namin. Where's the calculator? Right here? I need a TI here. TI, this one. It says TI 30? Yeah.
Okay.
Is that all they have? Or they have other stuff too? Let's just get that one. Let's just get that one.
Alright.
Nakuha na namin yung kailangan namin. What's the difference between this?
I don't know, just like the features on the front one. What does it say on the thing?
The floor.
TI 30?
Yeah.
There's one-
2S.
I think that's the one. Yeah, I guess.
And guys, tapos na kami.
Mm-hmm.
Grabe. Ang daming... Sandali lang. Grabe, ang daming tao. Kanina konting na lang ngayon. Super dami na ako.
You really want to go?
Where are we going now, honey? Oh, it looks like it's going to
Oh,
rain.
Value Village, let's go.
Where
Or do you
go?
want to go to the hardware store?
Oh, yeah, it's like Home Depot.
You want to buy bins or no?
Yeah, I think we have to get the bins while we're here.
Okay.
Let's go get the bins now. I don't want to.
Wow,
Yeah, punta
we're
na
in
pala kami ng Home Depot. Ano lang siya? Tawid lang siya. Ayun lang. Ito yung Staples. Pag ikot mo, ayan na yung Home Depot. Magkalapit lang talaga siya. Pero grabe yung tao ngayon. Ang dami. Look how many people
Just as
are right
busy,
now.
yeah.
Huh?
Said Home Depot is much busier.
Wala, umuulan. Ayan, umuulan na siya. Sandali nga. Honey, wait. Sandali, honey.
I'm never hurry, my arm's getting wet.
Sandali. Sandali.
Or we can move up in the game.
Oh,
Shh, no,
no, it's raining now.
Yeah.
Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Home Depot. Kaso umuulan. Wala pa. Sulog tayo ng Home Depot. Let's go. Where is it, the bins?
Wait in storage.
Where?
Storage.
Storage?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Wait in there.
No, okay. It's right here. There it is. It's a bin. Yan guys, tapos na kami sa Home Depot. Awan ko saan ako dadalhin itong lalaking to. Honey,
Yeah.
saan mo ako dadalhin?
We'll go there now.
I said, where are you taking me? Off to the next.
You can spray paint your name
Location.
there. You could be like AK.
Oh,
Okay, and everybody who goes in there will say, hey,
wait, I have to call.
AK was here.
Wait, I have to call the kids and see if Ashwin is awake. Hold
I'm
on.
not gonna be awake, too.
Why won't they be awake?
You
hold on,
sleep all day, man.
Is that what boys do?
Yeah, man.
Okay, hold on.
When you become a teenager, you gotta sleep all the time.
Wait.
Whenever you're not sleeping, you're awake.
Kaya tawagan natin ang aking mga kiddos kasi ewan ko kung gising na yung isa ko, yung lalaki ko. Babe, is the boy awake?
I don't know. I think so.
You think so? Did he eat yet?
No.
I think it's already, what time is it now? It's 3:17.
Do you hear his computer fan spin up? No, okay, sleeping.
Okay, he's probably still sleeping. Okay, babe. Thank you. I love you, babe. Bye. Nako, tulog pa ang aking lalaki. Tulog pa siya. Alam ko kung anong oras tulog yun. Ganun pala talaga pa nagbibinata, no? Guys, nandito pala tayo sa Value Village. Ano siya? Isa siyang thrift store sa amin. Ayan. Gahanap daw siya ng computer parts. Ang dami ring tao dito, oh. May mga damit sila. Damit. Saan nagpunta yun? Iniwan na naman ako. Nandito pala siya sa mga libro. What are you looking for, honey?
Oh, I think they have anything for Alexis or anything like that. SQL server, that's what it is.
Huh?
SQL server.
SQL server?
Yeah.
Honey, he's gonna walk around.
Yeah, you can go
Yes.
ahead.
Maglilibot lang ako dito. Tignan natin ka nang meron ko dito. Ang daming tao. Grabe. Bakit ang daming tao ngayon? Tignan natin kung meron silang mga damit-damit dito. Grabe guys, ang busy dito. Ang daming namimili. Ako rin. Makikitingin lang din ako. Na guys, ang dami dito. Ang daming tao. Super busy. Hanapin ko na nga si Keith. Lagi na lang ako nawawala. Nasaan na ba yun? Ang daming tao. Grabe. Bakit kaya? Wrong turn. Nasaan na yun? Let's see.
Ya Allah Allah يفرجها عليكم يا رب.
Ito na siya. Did you find what you're looking for?
I don't know.
It's so busy in here.
Yeah, it's really busy.
Hindi rin niya nakita yung hinahanap niya na lumang books ng computer. Kasi hirap na kasi makahanap nun eh. Kasi ano siya, old books na. Ang dami ng tinda oh. May tablecloths. Ano pa to? Tablecloths. Oh, there's pillows. Ano pa ba meron dito? Mga damit. Blanket. Mga camping gear din pala meron. Ayun, no? Ang dami, no? Ang dami niyang selection. Ang cute, oh. Oh, cute, oh. Ang cute. Mga electronics. Ano siya, electronics. Hindi rin niya makita yung hinahanap niya. Computer parts. Yung luma. Kasi super yung ano. Hindi rin niya makita. So, meron din silang mga kids section here. Punta tayo sa kids section. Tingnan natin kung ano meron doon. Oh, yarn. Grabe, ang daming namimili dito. Oh, grabe, ang dami, oh. Ang dami. Ang dami mga pang babies. Ang dami, oh. Ang daming laruan. Para na siyang binagyo. Grabe naman. Nakaalat. Ano, ito yung mga kids section. Ito yung kids section. Tignan natin kung meron sila dito. Oh, boys sweater, boys winter coats. Ito. The girls winter coats. Ano, ang dami. Ang daming selection ngayon. Ang dami nilang pagpipilian. Guys, nandito na kami sa TNT.
I'm gonna go get him.
Okay, yan, dito na kami sa TNT. TNT. Don't forget my bag. Don't forget the bag. No, not that one. This one.
Can we take it slow? We are on a roll. I don't wanna mess it up, mess it up. Can we take it slow? We are on a roll. I don't wanna mess it up, mess it up.
Meron silang handmade dumplings. Ano sa mga pagkain? Ang pagkain mo. Explain ba? They have a chicken steam bun, honey. They have chicken steam bun. It's 4 pieces. You want it? You want this one? Or do you want a mini? Do you want a mini one? The big
All different, I think. So mine was all full.
or this one?
All this is more.
This is the big one?
Okay.
Let's go get. Where's the? What is that? Golden burger? What's a golden burger? What is that? Ang dami ng pork buns dito, iba-iba. Ang daming ano, oh. May kakanin. Dito na sa corn one. Corn, ham, egg, onion bun.
Yeah.
You want it? Oh, this one, pizza bun.
Maybe if you want to grab it.
There's also sausage cheese bun. I don't think he's not into Asian food. I don't know why. But he's half. This one, honey. Honey, this one.
You want to get that one? Correction or not?
Do they think so? I don't like it. Oh, mango coconut. It's not gonna like it. Look at this one, honey. Oh, can I get this one? Guys, ang daming masasarap na pagkain dito. Sasakit ko dito pag hindi siya gluten free. What do you want here? What do you want this thing?
You may not even.
Okay. Oh, do you want one? What should we get for Alex?
Can we take it slow? We all wanna
I'm gonna call her.
Can we take it slow? We all
Babe, I'm on TNT. What do you want? What about the bread? What kind of bread do you want? You don't want bread? Okay, what do you want? Which one? Oh, I don't think so. I don't see any. Then you don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, baby. Okay, let me buy. Let's go see I want to check their sushi. Go check their sushi. Huh? It's right there. Ilang sushi dito. Busy siya sa pagtingin. Chicharon, hindi naman ako pwede niya. Filipino food. There's ng lala. Fish cracker. Hindi naman ako pwede tumakas. Sumasakit ang aking chan. Huh?
Kind of fever.
Chicharon? Oh, meron na silang word. Ang dami. Oh. Sugopin. Oh, Hanse, Munse. Oh. I don't have it.
Yeah, right here. Indian soda.
Oh, that's sweet. I don't like it. It's made of cream. Can't have anything that's made of cream. I'm gonna have. What is that?
Flax, cheese, garlic, onion, tiger.
Oh no, I want the one with the flavor. I want the butter one. They don't have butter.
Come on, this one here has cheese.
No, not that one.
You don't have.
No, I don't have it. Guys, nakauwi na pala kami. Nagpuput away na lang ako.
Rain is not working either. Don't worry. I'll put this one. See?
Guys, magluluto lang ako ng aming dinner. Kasi anong oras na ba? It's almost 6 o'clock na. It's like 17:45. So, kailangan ko na magmadali dahil nagugutom na yung aking mga anak. So, kaya mamadaliin ko lang to. Magluluto lang naman ako ng pasta. Tsaka kasi yun lang naman ang gusto nila. Tsaka yun ang madaling lutuin. Ayan guys, malapit na siyang maluto. Hanggang pakukulang ko na lang siya and kakain na kami. Ayan, tapos na siyang maluto. Pakukuluan ko na lang siya. Yung pasta is almost ready na. Al dente na siya. So, wait na lang tayo ng 5 more minutes. Ayan guys, natapos na rin ako magluto. Isi-serve ko na lang to. Ayan o. Ayan.
What? Why?
Guys, tapos na akong kumain. Mag-aasikaso na lang ako ng school supplies ng aking little boy. Kasi kailangan ko na tapusin to. So, when is your school? I can choose, no, Tuesday. Thursday na kasi mag-start yung kanyang school. So, kailangan ko na siyang tapusin. Dalaga pa na lang ng pangalan. Kaya natapos ko na din yung tatapos ko na din pangalanan pala yung mga school supplies ni Athrun. So, ayan. Kaya, all good na. So, ayan guys. Yun lang naman yung ganap ko today. So, I'll see you next time. Bye!